Welcome to another Dark Nook video. In this video, we're going to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I know it's pretty much the same video I made with the 99-cent store, but I wanted to show that the Dollar Tree has some stuff you can't find at the 99-cent store. In fact, Dollar Tree seems to be a little more craft-oriented. There's also a lot of office supplies. You can find a lot of things like shipping tape or clamps. You can repurpose a lot of office supplies for craft work and for props and special effects, but they've got things like fabric glue and tacky glue and Mod Podge. There's also a lot of things like paint bottles, paint brushes, assortments of different kinds of paints. You find acrylic paints. There's a lot of stuff here that's really geared more towards crafting. So Dollar Tree is a good place to go, especially for floral stuff. There's a lot of floral stuff here, not just the fabric flowers. They have a lot of like moss and grass for doing floral arrangements, and that can come in really handy if you're doing a diorama. They got floral foam, they got floral wire, they've got all kinds of mesh fabrics and things like that. They've got bricks of foam if you want to carve stuff out of foam. They've got all kinds of stuff that's really useful. They've also got an assortment, like a lot of rocks. Like if you're doing any dioramas with like textures or anything like that, there's a ton of stones and rocks. They've got a lot of glitter glue, like hot glue that has glitter in it. If you're doing some kind of stuff with hot glue, some great things. You can repurpose hot glue for a lot of different applications. But then they've just got like basic stuff like googly eyes and little foam bits and craft sticks and little bottles for paint. They've just got an assortment. They've even got canvases, little canvases for $1. So you can find a lot of stuff, really art-oriented stuff. But then there's some more utilitarian stuff like masking tape, duct tape, the things that you find everywhere. A lot of painting stuff. Drop cloth. The plastic drop cloth is the best thing for corpsing. If you're going to use a heat gun to corpse something, like in my skull corpsing video, that's the stuff to use. It's way better than like regular saran wrap. And they also have an assortment of bottles for keeping paint in. I use these to keep all my mixed latex paints in. I use for masks. And sponges. These sponges are phenomenal. You cut them apart and they're great for painting. All kinds of little weird containers too. I have a thing for containers. I like little containers. I collect them. I find them useful. But they also have a lot of seasonal stuff. You get seasonal stuff here. Like I said, they're doing a lot of luau stuff right now. So there's these little coconut cups. And I think I can repurpose this for my project that I'm working on. And I can also, $1 for this onion grass. These little bits of grass will come in handy. But look at these butterflies. Those look like some fairy wings to me. But you can also get foam core here. If you're doing any kind of building, any kind of prop making, foam core comes in real handy. And they got a couple different thicknesses here. This ready board is phenomenal for anything you're doing. If you're making molds and you need to make a wall for the mold, that's really great. So all told here, I spent about $8, $9 on materials. I got this onion grass, I got this little foam insert, little floral foam. It's really dense foam. I got this big thing of Spanish moss. I got this coconut. I got some Mod Podge. And I got a weird little container. Some styrofoam. Just fits inside a vase. Got some floral wire. And a healthy snack. Altogether I spent about $10. Got everything I needed. Pretty much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for checking out my video.